Hello, welcome back to my channel where today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to connect a Joyo Zombie amp to an orange combo amp. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to become a tutorial channel, but I had a problem trying to figure this out and I just want to help others who may have this problem too. So all you got to do is unplug the cable going to the speaker output of the amp and plug it into the speaker output of the Joyo. After that, you can turn this on and you're ready to go. And just to give you a better idea, this is where the speaker output is on the orange amp, and that is where the speaker output is going to go into the Joyo. And that's it. There's nothing left to it. And that's how you connect a Joyo amp to an orange cabinet. Had you in and out in less than 2 minutes. Alright, well I hope you have a great rest of your day, and peace!